Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease.
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you could see from the title, I'm gonna show you guys how I did this super quick and easy, well, it was not quick, how I did this super easy install on this wig from Beauty Forever. So I got sent this 613 wig, as you can obviously see. It is in 150 density. It is a 13x4 lace frontal wig in 22 inches, body wave of course, and I am loving these waves slash curls. I love how they fell and it just gives a doll. So if you are looking for this look or looking for some good quality 613 hair, I feel like this is it. As you can see, it is definitely nice and full and I am loving it. So if you want to get your hands on this wig, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. And before I start rambling, in today's video, what I'm just showing you guys is how I did this glueless install, as well as my edges of course, and how I did the styling. So if you'd like to see how to get your waves looking like this and your wig of course from Beauty Forever, just keep on watching.
She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me one fix. You know that's my assistant. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see. By your heart I see. Come baby, come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Ready? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me, I too fry, I get burned, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, she just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. They used to say you didn't know love. I used to say you need to grow up. I know you know. Say you want to get that though. And I know, you want wine fast and you wine slow. Remember the first night when you get freaky, when you get naughty. Before that we are chill with Noel and party, a jazz and party. Yeah, your body was so clean. You did a weird Versace. Back it up high, you look like your body drive me. Oh God, your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, I see why your hearts I see. Come baby, come try me. Everybody run by me. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, I have burned the way you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy, your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me.
something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away. We don't really want to. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. 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 Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher by my rocket low. Fuck gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around. I want you around.
and this is what the hair looks like. It is from Beauty Forever, and they sent me this 613 lace frontal wig, 13x4 of course, in this 22 inches and body wave, and I'm living for it. I'm living for the waves slash curls. It's definitely giving beach waves, and I'm definitely here for it. You guys know no one usually does just raw 613, but I just decided to give it a try. I feel like it looks beautiful. The edges are definitely edging. I love this. It's giving coming from my scalp. The lace was so easy to blend with my skin tone, which is something I look for in 613 wigs, because more than likely what you'll find with 613 wigs is that it will just be really ashy on the lace and you're just like, what? Another thing is that this wig is 100% glueless, so I'm also living for that. We love a versatile unit, and I'm definitely here for this. So if you'd like to purchase, the links will be in the description box below for you to do so. And thank you so much to Beauty Forever for sending me this gorgeous wig. I absolutely love it. And without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.